8 amazing healing effects of cinnamon. In addition to being used as a spice in cooking, cinnamon has a high medicinal effect and is very useful for protecting health. Let me introduce you to its amazing healing effect. Cinnamon is a familiar spice for coffee and dessert. Not only is it used for cooking, but it also has an excellent function as a crude drug. This time we will introduce the amazing healing effect of cinnamon. Why don't you use it immediately? Efficacy of cinnamon. Cinnamon is used in cooking as a spice with a unique scent and has the following health benefits: antioxidants, oregano and garlic, anti-inflammatory effects. Cinnamon not only reduces swelling in various parts of the body, but also suppresses infections, repairs damaged tissues, and improves the symptoms of arthritis and gout. Reduce the risk of heart disease. If you have a cardiovascular disease in your family, or if you are a high-risk patient, take more cinnamon. Cinnamon can reduce the risk of heart disease, which can be life-threatening. For people with type 2 diabetes, taking 1 gram of cinnamon daily can be very effective in controlling blood sugar levels. Cinnamon also helps reduce bad cholesterol and triglycerides. In addition to raising good cholesterol levels, cinnamon also has the effect of lowering blood pressure. All of this helps protect your heart's health. Lowers blood sugar. As mentioned above, cinnamon has the effect of lowering blood sugar levels, so if you have diabetes, actively incorporate it into your diet. After taking cinnamon, it can reduce the amount of glucose that enters the bloodstream, work on digestive enzymes to prevent carbohydrate spoilage in the digestive tract, and work on insulin transport cells. As for how to eat cinnamon, it is recommended to mix it with sugar-free dessert or sprinkle it on coffee after lunch or dinner. Cinnamon can reduce blood sugar levels by up to 30%. The recommended daily intake is up to 6 grams. Increases insulin sensitivity. Another reason cinnamon works for diabetes is that it increases the sensitivity of insulin hormones. Insulin plays an important role in regulating basal metabolism and the body's energy levels. It also has the function of transporting sugar in the blood to cells. Patients with insulin resistance can cause not only diabetes but also other illnesses. Cinnamon helps mitigate this risk. Reduce the risk of neurodegenerative disease. Neurodegenerative diseases are characterized by the gradual loss of brain cell function or structure. The most common diseases are Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. 2 components of cinnamon prevent abnormal protein deposition in the brain that triggers Alzheimer's disease, protect the nerves of Parkinson's disease patients, improve motor function and increase the level of neurotransmitter production, and helps to normalize it, prevent cancer. Cancer is caused by the growth of malignant cells. Many years of research have been conducted on the relationship between cinnamon and cancer prevention and improvement of cancer symptoms. As a result, it has been reported that cinnamon can be a family therapy to prevent cancer. Cinnamon works by suppressing the formation of blood vessels in the tumor, which leads to the death of benign cells. It also promotes the excretion of free radicals and helps prevent colorectal cancer, which is increasing rapidly these days. Fight fungal and bacterial infections. The main active ingredient of cinnamon is effective against certain infections such as fungal-induced respiratory infections. It also has the functions of suppressing the growth of bacteria such as salmonella, preventing tooth decay and eliminating bad breath.